Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to take your front bar off your Mazda 3, whether it's an MPS or a standard Mazda 3. The procedure will be fairly similar. So there's four main points. There's the upper, each side, and the lower. There's also fog lamps and headlamp washers if your vehicle's equipped with them. Now for the sides we have an 8mm here and also a clip here. For the clip you can use to put your screwdriver in, turn it around, and then you can take it out. If it doesn't turn, you have to put something there to stop it so you can turn it out, or if you have new clips, just put a screwdriver in the side and pull it out. Now if you see for this screw, I had a situation where this just keeps spinning. Put it on the side, you can pull it out like this. Careful not to damage your bar. The one screw out and three clips, you can just push on here, just jiggle it around, eventually you get all the tabs out, just like that. You can see these are specific to Mazda 3 MPSs, however they all are very similar. They do very often break this tab up here. But there are a few 10mm and there are a few 8mm. Just work along the bottom, all these ones, and there's a couple also over under the driver's side and the passenger side. Take them all out and we'll have the lower half done. Make sure you can push this trim down, make sure it's not holding on to anything, and that's it, the lower's done. So once you're on this side, same thing, three clips, one screw at the top, and the side's done. Now as you can see here, before I even finish taking this off, this does have a gap here. That does mean that there is a good chance that the bar slide inside is broken. Once we take it off, I'll show you again. Okay, so all clips are out, all bolts are out. Release it. Okay. So you can see here the bar slide's actually not broken, just someone's not clipped it in right. So that's it, that's good for us. Alright, now before we get ready for the last part where we take the bumper off, we're just going to make sure we have something under so when the bar does come off, especially if you're not going to paint it, it doesn't get scratched up all over the ground. So at the top we have some clips, we have two screws either side that go to the radius port, and some more clips that go to the headlight. Slides are off. All the clips and bolts from the top are done, all the bolts from below are done. Just going to want to gently try and convince this to come forward. Just like so. Just rest it on the ground like this. So you can see it's just resting just a little bit. Now, so we have this hose for our fog lamp. Just disconnect that here. Now once our sides are done, once our upper is done, once our bottom is done, we're just going to want to slightly pull this forward. Just wiggle it around. That'll come off. That'll just sit there. So what we have here over here is some wiring and some hose disconnect. So you can see over here we have one plug here. We have a loom here that we need to find. There's a plug all the way up here, and we have to take off our washer hose here. Now with this hose here, you can just push either sides of this and then pull it off and it'll come off. However, you're going to lose a lot of water, so you just want to push it carefully and try and push this up somewhere. Eventually it's going to leak until you meet the water level that's in the bottle already. So unfortunately, just leave it like that. The bar will leak some water because it's already got some water going into these hoses. And that's it, your bumper is completely removed. And that is it. That took only 10 minutes. Our bumper is now completely removed. Depending on what we're doing, we might want to strip it down, get it ready for paint, or if we're swapping bumpers we can do that. But that's it, 10 minutes work. It's not a big deal. We can take the bumper off, we can put it back on in another 10 minutes, and we're finished. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your day.